हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है एसए ऑन न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी एंड वोकेशनल एजुकेशन इन इंग्लिश। हेडिंग से इसके इंट्रोडक्शन, द नीड फॉर वोकेशनल एजुकेशन इन इंडिया, वोकेशनल एजुकेशन अंडर न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, बेनिफिट्स ऑफ वोकेशनल एजुकेशन एंड एपिलॉग। अपने एसए की स्टार्टिंग में मैंने वोकेशनल एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड एक फेमस कोट लिखा है, The Indian youth needs to be empowered and it can be done through good education and vocational training। पल्लम राजू हमारे फॉर्मर यूनियन मिनिस्टर हैं। इंट्रोडक्शन। The biggest problem and challenge of our country is that there is no support in our education system and employment. The education that is given to us from childhood and the education that provides jobs, there is a big difference between them. Vocational education has become the need of India today. Under this, children are given knowledge of books as well as practical skills. A new education policy was announced by the Government of India on 29 July 2020. While the roar of Rafale aircraft has strengthened the security of the country's border today, the education policy that has given a new direction to the country, paving the way for self-reliance, has become a part of India's education system. The need for vocational education in India. Rising unemployment is the most worrying topic of youth in India. It is also impossible for the government to create employment for all in the country with a population of 125 crores. The end of unemployment is possible only when the common man creates his own enterprise, and this can happen only if every hand is skilled. Only 25% of the graduates in India are able to get jobs because 75% of the rest are not trained. This figure shows the need for high quality vocational education to train youth for jobs. Vocational education under the new education policy. Vocational education has been emphasized in the new education policy. Vocational education will be imparted from the 6th grade. During this time, children will also do internships so that they can learn at least one skill before leaving school. Children will be better prepared for the future by getting vocational exposure from a young age. Practical learning will increase youth participation in the global job market. The new national education policy aims to increase the gross enrollment ratio in higher education, including vocational education, from 26.3% 2018 to 50% by 2035. All vocational education will be made part of the higher education system. According to the Prime Minister, there are so many professions which require deep skills, but we do not give them importance. If students see them, then there will be a kind of emotional connection, they will respect them. Benefits of professional education. Professional education will prepare us for jobs. It will train and impart training and skills to students. Vocational education will provide new employment opportunities by providing suitable training. Those who will have appropriate professional education, there will never be a shortage of jobs. Professional education is also a demand of today. Therefore, it is very important for the youth to keep up with the times. Epilogue. The basic objective of vocational education under the new education policy is to make India self-sufficient by giving skills in the hands of every student. The economic progress of the country depends on the vocational education there. Vocational education is the backbone of the country's progress on which the whole country rests. Thanks for watching.